Mr. Zimmerman?
Yes, sir.
You're appearing here for your first appearance at this time for charge of murder in the second degree, and you are represented by Mr. O'Mara. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Remember your right to remain silent. All the other rights that he has told you about, you have to say nothing, and we'll go forward here on some procedural matters only at this time. After reviewing the short affidavit for probable cause, I do find that probable cause for the charge as put in the information. Now, seeing that there's an information that was filed as of yesterday at 4 p.m., all other matters at this point will be handled by the circuit court under the felony case number. That includes the any further motions, bond hearings, anything like that. Now we'll go forward. All I can tell you at this time is that you will be set for formal arraignment with Judge Rex Seidler on, or not before, but on May the 29th, 1:30, courtroom 1A. And Mr. O'Mara, of course, will be in for that. There's no need to appoint other counsel. I show that he has good and adequate counsel. He's well represented at this stage, and that date will hold. That is the right date, right, Madam Clerk? Let's get that straight. Yep. May 29th, 1:30 is his next official court date at this time. All other matters, therefore, will be taken up with the circuit court at the courthouse. Mr. O'Mara, agree?
I agree, Your Honor.
Very good. State, anything else?
No, sir. Thank you very much.
On that finding, this hearing at first appearances is concluded.
Thank you for your time, Your Honor, and consideration.
Y'all take your time, and I know you got to make arrangements.